if you want to install a dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the dynamic island or something that looks like one. So over here we can tap on search and let's search for an app. In my case, I'm gonna use Dynamic Spot, which is one of several apps that are available in the Play Store that provide this dynamic island. So over here, let's install it. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up. However, if you don't like this app for some reason or it doesn't work, feel free to try anything else that you can find in the App Store, sorry, the Play Store. So let's go ahead and press next. And we have instructions that we need to follow. So first we need to tap on select apps and we need to choose apps that will be working with the dynamic island. So if you receive a notification for the specific app, it will be displayed on the dynamic island. You can also just tap on all over here in order to choose everything, but you can also just choose individual apps. Let's go back. Then we need to grant the notification access, so tap over here and then enable dynamic island over here. Let's press allow. Then we have draw on screen, so let's tap here, press allow. And then tap again and go next. Wait for the next screen to appear, go to installed apps and then go to dynamic spot. And over here we need to turn it on and press allow. And there we go. Now over here we can press done. If you see this screen, you can press X over here in the top right corner to close it. And the app is pretty much ready to go, ready to use. But before we start using it, we can also go to position in order to take a look at how it looks like, and perhaps you might want to personalize it or customize it a little bit. In my case, I think this dynamic island is a little bit too tiny. So I'm gonna change the size to something bigger. Let's say I want it this big. And feel free to copy these options if you want to. Now, in this case, we can move it also a little bit higher if you want to, or maybe even lower if you feel like it, but I think it actually is in a pretty good position. So now we can just go back and enjoy the app. In case you want to customize apps that are synchronized with the dynamic spot, then you can go to notifications over here. If you see an ad, then of course we need to wait for it to be done. And then over here we can go to apps, and once again you can customize the list. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.